How to add local files to Spotify. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upload and listen to your own music files on Spotify using your phone and desktop. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over and open your Spotify account, and once you have signed in, you're going to click on your profile at the top left. And then you're going to click on settings and privacy. So once you have clicked on settings and privacy, you'll be redirected to settings, and here you're going to find the option of apps and devices. So once you click on apps and devices, you'll be redirected to an interface like this. You're going to scroll down, and under other devices, you'll be able to see an option that says local audio files. Here it says lets you add tracks from this device to your library, so you're going to toggle this button on, and once you do so, you're going to click on your library, and here you'll be able to see a file that says local files, and here you're going to simply click on add audio. So you can get a song or anything, so you can click on allow, and once you do so, all of your local files will be over here. Like you can see, before I had 0 tracks, but now I have 53. That means I have successfully added my local files to Spotify. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.